Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see your questions in the Brainly app. First, let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just have to go into the profile menu and then tap on My Questions. And here we will find the list of questions that we have, and yeah, or if we don't have any, we can just ask a question and we can type it in here, and yeah, then get an answer. Our question can be about basically anything. It can be math related, physics related, biology related, anything, and we will probably get an answer through this app. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.